Alright, so we're going to test fire this old Miller furnace, but we're going to put a jumper between R and W, which closes the contact, essentially the same as the thermostat. We've got the manometer hooked up to read gas pressures. We've installed a new flame sensor, hot surface igniter, new control board, and new blower motor for the inducer fan. So now we're just waiting to see what happens when we fire it up. We should have that hot surface igniter glowing pretty soon here. There's the click for it. Then we're going to hear another click for the gas valve. Start roasting some marshmallows in there. Looks a lot cleaner than it did before. We had a lot of orange flames coming off the sides. Gas pressure should be around 3.5 and we've got 3.47, which is good. We are almost bang on. There's the blower coming on. And we're back in business. We're just going to check the temperature rise with the supply and the return, and then may need to change the supply fan speed just to get that within manufacturer specs, which are always right there. Now if you notice, there's a whole bunch of burn marks on there. That is caused by a couple of different things. One of them being too much gas pressure and dirty heat exchangers causing flames to come out of here onto the door, which is right about there. So I believe we've remedied that situation already, and we can put this thing back together.